A member of Team Plastic Surgery here reporting for duty. Is plastic surgery in danger? Let's talk about it. So when I say is plastic surgery in danger, remember, I don't mean reconstructive. There will always be a place for reconstructive medicine in the world. As long as there is trauma, as long as people are born looking differently, there's always a place for that. But in the cosmetic world, are we plastic surgeons scared of losing our ability to contribute to society? Well, let's think about this. So if you think about your favorite stars, they probably have been very vocal about the things that they have had reversed in terms of plastic surgery. Angela White and K. Michelle are two that come to mind instantly. They have been very vocal about getting their butt injections removed, defilling their lips, and whatever else they have done to themselves to transform themselves over the years. And I'm hearing on the streets, and it's music to my ears at least, that the BBL is getting canceled. So that is all great news. As a member, again, of Team Plastic Surgery, Team Platrol, I am on board and here for everyone who wants to celebrate their own beauty. But I think this new deplastification movement is a movement that we're going to see kind of fade away. And it will take about as long to fade away as the BBLs have taken to fade away. People are still going to DR to get their BBLs. God knows why. Yes, I do think that there is a move towards being more natural, but that does not mean that we are celebrating natural in all its forms, right? There is still a push to look like the ideal of the moment. The ideal changes consistently. That's one thing that we know to be true. And right now, increasingly, the ideal is look more like you were born, but only to an extent, right? Because just as much as we celebrate the natural form, we also are typing terrorists and clown people, frankly, for the way they look, especially if they don't fit the ideal in some way or are close to it. We clown people for their looks, just like we clown people for being broke, just like we clown people for not having the right fashion or the most expensive fashion. It's a disease that we really need to cure, but until we do, we will still be seeing plastic surgery. I will still have a job in the cosmetic world because of this. So the short answer is yes to deplastification. We are heading into a deplastification movement, and hopefully the BBLs of yesterday will become the natural bodies of today. But we as a society are not ready for the lack of ability to be able to get that zhuzh if you feel like you don't quite fit your own self-standard for what your beauty should look like. What I think will happen in the next few years as we continue to move through this deplastification movement is that yes, people will get their implants removed, butt injections removed or lipoed, lips less defilled, what have you. But there will also be this kind of counter movement of people getting plastic surgery that just looks a little bit more natural and not as exaggerated. And so that's kind of what my prediction is. Plastic surgery isn't going away anytime soon, at least not, well, neither cosmetic nor reconstructive plastic surgery are going away. But I do think in the cosmetic world, we're moving towards the middle. And truthfully, like I've discussed in previous videos, I think a lot of the world is moving towards the middle. We're becoming more ethnically ambiguous. We're becoming, more and more like lookalikes, right? Just look at Instagram and all the Instagram models that look a lot like Kim K. We are moving towards the middle, and I think plastic surgery is just going to do the same thing. What do you think? In your life, are you thinking about a deplastification or a new classification. Leave your comments and your questions below and subscribe. And as always, love you lots and bye for now.